Okay, we're going to add and subtract fractions without the same denominator. So this is when we do the butterfly method. So if I have 1/8 plus 3/4. Okay, look, I don't have the same denominators. So when I don't have the same denominators, that's when I have to do the butterfly. So to do the butterfly, we first do the tail, and we do 8 times 4. And you can use your calculator. 8 times 4 is 32. So that 32 is going to be my denominator. Then a butterfly has wings. So I do a cross like that, and I multiply the numbers inside the wing. So 8 times 3 is 24. Then the butterfly needs another set of wings. So I multiply the numbers inside of that wing, which is 4 times 1, which is 4. Then notice it's an adding problem, so I bring the addition sign up here, and I'm going to add 4 plus 24, and that is 28. So my answer is 28 over 32, but we got to make sure that it's reduced. So then we have to use our 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Well, 28 is an even number, and 32 is an even number, so I know I can reduce it by 2. And you can use your calculator again. 28 divided by 2 is 14, and 32 divided by 2 is 16. Well, look, guys, 14 and 16, these two numbers right here, they're both even too. So I can reduce it by 2 again. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, ran out of room, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now I know that's reduced because they're neighbors. You do the same thing if it's subtraction. So let's do 2/3 minus 3/8. Okay, so I do this first. 3 times 8 is 24. So I keep that denominator 24. Do a different color so it looks. Then I do my wing. 3 times 3 is 9. I do my other wing. 8 times 2 is 16. It's a subtraction problem, so I subtract 16 minus 9, which is 7. Now, I look at my answer, 7/24. Okay, so I'm going to use my 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Well, 7 is odd, so 2 can't work. Get out your agendas and go to page 131, and remember how we highlighted those numbers. Go down your 3s. Well, when I go down my 3s, I see 24, but I don't see 7. I know 5 is not going to work because these numbers don't end with 0 or 5. If I take my finger and I go down my 7s column, I see a 7, but I don't see a 24, so that don't work. And if I go down my 11s, I don't see 7 or 24. So this is reduced because of the last reason. But you have to make sure your answers are reduced.